Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to make something fudgy and chocolatey. So today, I'm sharing my no milk, no egg chocolate cake recipe. Let's go over the ingredients so we can start. Keep on watching! In this recipe, we will need 3 cups of flour, 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, half a cup cocoa powder, 4 teaspoon baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. We also need 2 cups of warm water, half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of dark molasses, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. For our chocolate sauce toppings, we will need 1 bar of chocolate of your choice and 2 tablespoons of butter. So let's combine our ingredients. Place a strainer over a mixing bowl to sieve the cocoa powder, flour, and baking powder. And sieve all the dry ingredients until no lumps. Then add the sugar and salt. Next, pour in the warm water and mix carefully. Then add in all the rest of the ingredients. In this recipe, I use dark molasses. I find it more flavorful when I'm using molasses in my cake recipe. In some of my chocolate cake recipe, I use coffee granules, but this time I want it chocolatey flavorful. Blend until all the ingredients are well combined. Continue stirring and mixing until perfectly blended. Into your desired pan, brush with oil and parchment paper on the bottom. Transfer the cake butter. And level the butter as even as possible. So now, this will go to our preheated 180 degrees oven for 30 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. So here's my no milk, no egg chocolate cake recipe. Set it aside and let it cool. While waiting for our cake to cool down, I am going to melt the chocolate bar and the butter in a bowl over a boiling water. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you find this video interesting, share it and give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. And thank you for watching.